So you want to move to a new country, but you're not sure which one. You've got to do an experimental research trip, because you're going to find out a lot if you take a vacation in a spot that you're considering. And there's a lot of things not covered: unexpected costs, visa requirements, all of that, hiring a professional, a lawyer, which I have talked to several lawyers about citizenship in Italy. It's quite a process. You don't just pack your bags and move, which I'm sure you understand by now if you've been researching. So I want to recommend some more easier countries that you could move to. Cambodia, if you're in the US, moving to Hawaii, and let's see, relocating. Trying to think of easier places. Things are starting to pop up about Eastern Europe being not so hard. Serbia, Slovenia. But so you got to do your research. But the other thing is, you can't really trust what other people say without trying it yourself. Like, one of the things I found out, I've spent a lot of time in Mexico, and I went to buy some Apple products there and found out there's an extra tax that makes everything Apple sells in Mexico 20% higher. So the prices are already high for Apple, which I've been paying for 40 years. So I just waited until I got back to the US. But there's just little things like that. Visa costs. Visa costs add up in Thailand. I spent quite a bit on that when I lived there. So you want to figure out what country you want to go to and thoroughly check it out. Go to that country, stay there, ask a lot of questions, be in that climate. It's really the best time to go is the worst climate time because you want to feel what winter's going to be like. I grew up in upstate New York, and I don't really want to be in snow, maybe for a week or two, and that's about it. So happy experimentation. Research your country before going, and then go and spend as long as you possibly can there. You might find that you just want to do slow travel rather than become a resident or citizen, which is what I've been doing, so slow traveling for 20 years. So if you want a one-on-one consultation, I'll have the link below, and we can make your dream of getting on the road a reality. So see you in the next video.